Hope you're having a good weekend. 11:20 on this Sunday morning behind me. Kind of the way it looks all over the place. This is the live camera at Pearson Airfield. You can see the interstate bridge, and of course, all of the cloud cover and the tarmac's wet because yes, we've seen some light rain showers. So far, we've seen more light rain from Portland north and less when you get south down toward Salem. And this is all on track to be basically a trace to maybe 0.02, 0.03, 100ths of an inch of moisture. So not much going on. Temperatures are in the low 40s. It's just kind of a cloudy, somewhat damp day out there, which is what we expected. You can see the cloud flow right here kind of streaming in. And what's going on is if we look at this image, see the highs up here in Canada? That's that cold Arctic air mass. And here's the broad boundary of that cold air, which is sending just to our north, pretty close to the Canadian border as we thought. And then there's kind of a pre-boundary where a little bit of cold air is leaked in out here in the Pacific. And that's the boundary that's shooting that moisture in. Basically, we're not going to see much change in our weather on Monday. We're not going to see a whole lot of change in our weather Tuesday, although Tuesday might show a little bit of a moisture surge coming in, but the cold air is going to stay to our north. And generally speaking, I'm looking at temperatures that are near freezing to above at night and daytime highs holding right around 40 degrees. Traceable amounts of moisture today, maybe not even that much tomorrow. So tomorrow potentially is either completely dry or just a dab of moisture here and there. And then Tuesday, it does look like we get into some thicker cloudiness channeling into our area, and that'll pick up moisture. Tuesday morning temperatures should be watched carefully to see if we have some moisture coming in with 32-degree numbers that could produce some snow or ice or that type of thing. So just a chance of that we're watching that I want you to know about. I do want to just pop up the 7-day forecast. So 43 today, we've already hit that, so maybe we go a little bit warmer. Tomorrow, 34 to 40, wintry mix of light showers, or for the most part, just mainly dry. Tuesday morning, we'll keep an eye on, especially to see if we could get some sort of a wintry batch of precipitation as the moisture increases. Now, forecast models like us being more like mid-30s, 34, 35, 36 Tuesday morning with it just being rain. But that, you get my point. It's worth watching. I still think Wednesday, Thursday, which I've had, have a good chance of being mainly dry. Morning cloud cover Wednesday, then getting some sun breaks, and Thursday getting some sun breaks. What catches my attention as the most interesting day on the 7-day is this one, Friday. So here's the deal. Wednesday, Thursdays, we dry out. We will start to get a gusty east wind coming up. And forecast models show this is very dry air with dew points down into the teens. Notice Thursday's high only around 35 degrees, could be colder. And then we have moisture coming in with a warm surge into Friday morning. But remember, warm surges actually ignite the east wind coming out of the gorge. So maybe as warm air starts to come in Friday, that cold air out of the gorge just really starts coming and coming and coming and kind of hits it. And you get a morning that could have significant accumulating snow and or ice with a very slow transition to rain and temperatures being slow to warm up during the day. Eventually Friday, maybe not until late day, we should warm up to 40. Then once we do, it's around 40 Friday overnight into Saturday. Saturday's the day that could be mainly dry. I have a shower chance. Look at the numbers, much warmer, 38 to 47. Christmas Day is the day that looks to be pretty mild. I have right now, Christmas Day would be about 40 in the morning, 50 in the afternoon with cloud cover and the chance of a rain shower, but certainly the possibility that we have more dry weather than wet. That's on Christmas Day. The next front would be on Monday the 26th, the federal holiday, and that would be rain. So as I close this video, just realize we'll see how cold we are Thursday, how strong those east winds are. And if there's reason to believe that cold air is going to be in place if moisture comes in first thing Friday morning. If so, that could be significant. Snow, ice accumulation before we warm up. The only other day I'm watching is Tuesday, and that's like, maybe we get a little bit of wintry stuff, but generally speaking, I don't think we're going to have an issue on Tuesday overall. Okay, hit the subscribe button if you like these videos. I appreciate you using my weather forecast. This is my weather site behind me, by the way, portlandweather.com. I'll talk to you soon.